Hey guys, I'm coming at you here with another video. This one I want to talk about doing the catalytic converters on a Ford Transit 350 HD. The one I'm working on here is a 2019. First of all, I got a shout out to Jimmy Making It Work, who has a video on this also. He works on a Transit 250, so definitely check that out. So basically, what you want to do, here's my Ford Transit. I've got it up on a rack. Basically, you're going to take off your, you're going to have to unplug all of your O2 sensors, spray them with some WD-40, try to get in there and press the tab down with your thumb and slide them back. I was able to access the front two O2 sensors from under the hood, the plugs anyway, and then the rear, I was able to access them from underneath. So the only one I had trouble with was the right rear. I broke the tab on that, but no big deal. I was able to finally get it off, and that's all that matters. It still works. Okay, so here's what you're going to want to do. I'm assuming that you don't want to pull the subframe. So here's what I did. Basically, I cut this one. Depending, like, I have the full assembly here. So if your setup is like mine, I cut this one right in the middle here, and then I cut this side right here. You see where I cut it right here, and then I was able to pull this out the front. I just had to remove the air cleaner for that, and then you're gonna find you have issues with this bolt right here, or this nut. Very, very hard to get to. So I just wanted to show you, this is how I got to it. 15 millimeter 3/8 drive, wobble socket, short wobble extension, 3-inch wobble socket, 2 feet long. And then I actually even had one more 9-inch extension here, and then going to my 1/2-inch impact. When you do that, you're going to want to get some help with that so that it doesn't slip off. Trust me, I spent a long time working on it. Just have someone in back with the impact and someone in front holding the socket on. Get your hand out of the way and let them hammer at it, and it should come off. Make sure you spray all those guys down with some penetrant beforehand to give yourself the best chances. And then, getting it back together, you need 2-inch band clamps. I bought mine from Imperial. So just get those band clamps on there and do this the easy way, not the hard way. All right, thanks guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe. All right, love you guys. Bye.